What is up, everybody? Here's 5 tax tips that you should know for this upcoming tax season. Tip number 1 is that if you had multiple jobs throughout the year, make sure that you have a W-2 for each of those employers, because once it's time to file your taxes, if you're scrambling to find your W-2s, it's going to be a very stressful time. So if you don't have them, email your previous employer, ask them for a copy of your W-2, and they'll send it right away. Tip number 2 is that if you plan on claiming dependents, make sure you have their full name, their date of birth, their social security number. It's going to make your life a lot easier once you're sitting with your tax preparer and they ask you for this information. Tip number 3 is to plan ahead. If you expect a refund, make sure you know the bank account that the money's going to go into. Make sure that you have the right routing and account number. Make sure it's not an account that's closed. Having your money deposited to a bank account is the quickest way to get your refund, so make sure that you have all the right information. Tip number 4 is that if you operate a business, make sure you have a profit and loss statement, a document that will make your life easier. It's going to make your tax preparer's life a lot easier as well. This is a document that shows the gross income that your business generated, and it also has a detailed record of all of the expenses that your business paid throughout the year. And as you know, expenses can be written off, and at the end of the day, that can benefit you. Tip number 5 is probably one of the most important ones, and that's to make sure that you have good record of all of your documentation. Make sure you store away and keep a good copy of all of your tax returns, because the IRS may ask for them, and if you can't find them when you need them, it's going to be pretty stressful. So I recommend you keep them in a box physically and put it away in your closet, or scan them, upload them to some kind of online cloud storage system. A lot of them are free. You can use Google Drive. A lot of them are very convenient. So that's 5 tax tips that I believe everybody should keep in mind for this upcoming tax season.